Cheers. Hi mate, no fuel, just the water please.
Do you have an extra card with you, mate?
No, I don't know.
It's £1, please. Thank you.
Great, thanks mate, cheers. An F430, 4.3 litre, about 490 brake horsepower, I believe. What a great looking thing. Cheers, thanks mate. You want to take photos? Yeah, yeah, of course you can, yeah. No worries. Go on, I'll get out of your way.
What kind of Lambo is that like?
Ferrari. Ferrari F430.
One of them now, like race trucks.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It took us a while to get a car, so then Mum and Dad paid for us to get on one.
Yeah.
Couldn't decide the Ferrari or the Lambo, but I had like a little portrait of a Lambo. I thought, I'm gonna have to do that.
Yeah, yeah.
But that's a cool one.
It's fantastic, aye. Oh! This bag out of the way. Get your bag out of the way. Nearly squashed. It's alright. Get your pictures, yeah? Good stuff. Cheers. Wants to get you something? What do you want? A what pasty? Corned beef pasty. Yeah, a bottle of Diet Coke or Pepsi Coke Zero?
Orange Lucozade actually.
Orange Lucozade.
Yeah.
Aye, right, no worries. Aye, right, can I get a corned beef pasty, please?
Take away?
Yes, please. I'll get a bottle of Lucozade.
Yeah, which one?
Orange Lucozade. And a latte as well, please.
Please, have
Yeah.
your croissant.
Yeah, I've got it, yeah.
Scan and do that. Thanks very much, Jenny. Will I see you in passing tomorrow as well? Yeah, you'll be here. That's ready for your payment. Thank you. And I'll be there. Excellent. All yours.
Thank you very
Thanks so
much. Cheers,
See you
bye.
later. Thank you.
There you go, is that alright?
Thank you so much, sir.
No problem. Yes. Cup holders. There are no cup holders in this car. Damn it. Shit, no cup holders. Well, my plan was to drive with the cover, but kind of got to sit here because I don't have any cup holders in this car, so not that I've seen in any case. Oh well, I'll see you on the next video.